Today, we are going to discover some of the most powerful manned and unmanned aircraft ever built in the United States. From cutting-edge fighter jets to advanced military drones, these remarkable machines showcase the innovation, engineering, and determination that have helped shape American aviation. The F-35 Lightning II is one of the most advanced fighter aircraft ever built, developed by Lockheed Martin. The F-35 combines stealth technology, advanced sensors, and powerful combat capabilities into a single platform. With a top speed of Mach 1.6, the aircraft is designed to perform a wide range of missions, including air superiority, ground attack, and intelligence gathering. One of the F-35's greatest strengths is its sensor fusion technology, which allows pilots to receive and process battlefield information in real time. The aircraft is available in 3 variants: the F-35A for conventional takeoff and landing, the F-35B with short takeoff and vertical landing capability, and the F-35C designed for aircraft carrier operations. Today, the F-35 serves with the United States and numerous allied nations, making it a key component of modern air power. The F-35 Lightning II continues to shape the future of military aviation. The MQ-9 Reaper is one of the most advanced unmanned aerial vehicles in the world. Developed by General Atomics, the Reaper is designed for intelligence gathering, surveillance, reconnaissance, and precision strike missions. Unlike traditional aircraft, the MQ-9 can remain airborne for more than 24 hours, providing continuous support to military operations over vast areas. Equipped with advanced sensors, high-resolution cameras, and precision-guided weapons, the Reaper can identify, track, and engage targets with remarkable accuracy. The aircraft is operated remotely by trained crews, allowing missions to be conducted while keeping pilots out of harm's way. Since entering service, the MQ-9 Reaper has become a critical asset for modern military operations, supporting missions across the globe. The MQ-9 Reaper, the eyes and reach of modern air power. The F-35 and MQ-9 Reaper continue to shape the future of modern warfare and air superiority. Enjoyed the video? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing military aircraft and aviation content. See you in the next mission!